Hi, welcome to another brief manual by AMIS. Of course, about the AMIS Pro, our nesting and build preparation software for material jetting, binder jetting, SLS, and MGF technologies. This brief tutorial will be about the shelling of parts and the lattices. And basically, that's a very brief and simple action to do in AMIS Pro. First of all, I'm just gonna click the part from which I think it needs some shelling and lattices, like for example this one. I press the shell button in the parts section, and there we are. Basically, it's all in one. There is at this moment a part shelling where you can configure the shell thickness, and then the lattice structures whereby you can change the beam length and the thickness of the beam. So let's just put something in here. And you will notice, of course, that there is just one specific lattice structure and there is no choice. But we've noticed with our users that none of them actually uses more or perhaps sometimes two different lattice structures. But that's about it. So at this point, we think it's definitely viable to do it in this way. Okay, let's go for it. Execute shelling for this part. Of course, takes a couple of seconds to get this finalized, and then we'll have a brief look at the result. You've noticed probably that I've indicated also the section here, or tapped the section button so I can have a look inside my part. And there is our lattice structure inside a shelling. I can just, of course, I can just do it without the lattices inside, just to give you a view on what the shelling itself could be. So that's it indeed. Now you probably also noticed that there is no indicator for the direction in which the lattices are structured, but there's a very easy way around for that. You just rotate your part in the right direction, and then you're gonna add some lattice structure to that. Um, and then basically afterwards, we just put the rotation back to zero. And at that moment, we have, of course, a lattice which is also rotated with the same direction. There we are. So let me put that back at zero. And then you'll see, oh, that's not zero. That's a zero. There we are. And then you notice that the shelling or the lattice indeed has a 45-degree angle inside, which might be needed and much more convenient, of course, for the removal of powder if that's the case. Right. So a quick and fast solution to actually get your lattices and your shelling inside AMIS Pro. Thanks for listening. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.